So as you can see, kids are having gala time. They are enjoying Children's Day party. So as Sheetal has prepared many dishes for them to pamper them, and you can see garlic bread, potato twister, pasta, gulab jamun, cake, and chocolate almond fudge. Today we are going to share recipe of chocolate almond fudge. So let's hear from Sheetal how she has prepared it.
Let's see the ingredients for chocolate walnut fudge. We will require at least 2 bowls of chocolate, dark chocolate, crushed, 1 tablespoon butter, 1 tablespoon cocoa powder, 1 cup condensed milk, and some walnut, and I have taken some almonds also. This is optional, you can avoid it. So let's see the procedure. We'll roast the almonds and walnut first. We'll dry roast this nuts.
So we'll roast them just to make them little crunchy, right?
Yeah, so this oil will come out from the walnut and almonds. So this will taste really good. So roasting, we crush in the mixer jar.
Okay.
I will add chocolate, condensed milk, and butter. We mix this well on a medium flame till our chocolate gets totally melted.
This is a simple and quick recipe, right?
Yeah, and this is especially for kids.
Right.
Now we'll add our cocoa powder. You can see the consistency, it is getting thicker. Now we'll add our crushed walnut and almond powder. We have to keep stirring this for next 2 to 3 minutes.
And you have to do it on a low flame,
Low
right?
flame. Now you can see the consistency.
Right.
Now we'll switch off the gas and let it cool down in the pan only. I've prepared this mold. We'll
Clean foil?
Yeah, with
Okay.
clean foil. We'll set this. So I have transferred this fudge. Keep this in the fridge for maximum 3 to 4 hours.
Okay. And then we'll cut into the pieces.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now you can see our fudge is set properly after 3 to 4 hours. Now we'll take this out and we'll cut this. So our chocolate fudge is ready. We'll serve this with chocolate sauce or chocolate ganache. This is totally optional, but this is for kids, so
Yeah, the more chocolate, they will love it more.
yeah. And with some colored.
Yes.
This is also optional.
So yummy chocolate walnut fudge is ready for Children's Day. Wow, it's looking so yummy, colorful. Kids love chocolates. So this is the perfect recipe for Children's Day. Enjoy with your kids. Thank you. Thank you, Sheetal.